good, guys? How's everyone doing? Welcome back to the vlogs. Sorry for the noise. I'm in my car and it's hot as hell. I got the AC blasting right now. As you guys saw, I went to a meet with the homie Andrew. I got a little bit of cinematics over there and, chatted up with him since it's been a while since we've hung out, caught up with stuff. But right now, your boy is on his way to pick up something from Facebook Marketplace. Of course, I'm heading to go ahead and get something for my bike. My road bike, to be exact. So yeah, let's go ahead and go pick it up, and I'll see you guys at home to show you guys what it is. Ta-da! This is my road bike. Picked it up very recently. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you guys know that I had a fixie for a little bit of time, but something went down with the fixie, and it was kind of bad. And my parents heard about the story about what happened with the fixie. I don't want to get into it really, but let's just say the bike was never really mine in the first place. When I sold it, you get what I mean. Parents found out, they felt really bad for me. Cause my birthday was coming up, they decided to surprise me with a actual road bike. And I actually kind of wanted this more than a fixie because you could go long distances with this thing, and they're fast and they're cool. I'm enjoying it and I love how it looks, except for a couple things. The handlebars I need to adjust. I need to rewrap it because the wrap is falling off and I need something better. And I'm not a big fan of the wheels. Just like me with my cars, we can't have stock wheels around here. Your boy ended up picking up some deep dish carbon fiber wheels, baby. These are from Super Team. They are UCI approved. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's just like quality control and just like, maybe it's like the FIA, carbon fiber deep dish wheels. Well, these are actually gonna go in the rear, but you could kind of already imagine how that's gonna look. I think it's actually funny because I just realized that for the past 2 years since 2024, I got new wheels from 2024 on my birthday, and then 2025 I got new wheels on my birthday. 2024 I got Wed Sports, 2025 I got TEs, the mag blue ones, and then now I got new wheels, but instead of it for being my car, it's for my bike. 88 millimeter in the rear, I believe, or 80 mil, either or. And then this is the front, so this is a 60 mil. Yeah, stay tuned for these, but very stoked on these wheels. Hello everyone, welcome back. As you guys can see, your boy is in a different attire right now. That's because we are about to go biking with the homie Asher. The last time I checked in with you guys is when I got the wheels for my bike. Well, they're on, and you guys want to see them? Shabam! Look at the bike now, guys. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it looks freaking beautiful. But yeah, the wheels look completely transformed the way the bike looks. I raised the seat post, I angled the handlebars a little bit downwards so it's a little bit more comfortable for me. If you guys couldn't tell, I'm filming with something a little bit different. I'll reveal what I'm filming with at the end. I don't know how the audio is. Hopefully the audio is good, but yeah, let's go ahead and get pushing. New wheels and bike. We made it to the meetup spot. Really hot today. A little windy, which is nice because it cools it down. Oh, there's Asher, he's right there. But look at Asher's bike, guys. He just got some deep carbon dish wheels too, bro. Look at this shit. Man. Looks fire, bro. Looks good. Oh yeah, Ant, if you're watching, hope you get better soon. We wish you were here, bro. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this ride on. Why does it feel so tough today, bro?
It's windy as shit.
I know. It's so hard to breathe.
It stinks like shit too.
I know, it's like they dump manure in the river or something, man.
It's crazy because it never stinks during this time.
How'd the wheels feel?
I feel great.
Yeah?
I don't know if it's placebo, but I feel fast. I feel fast as shit.
Nah, bro, it's fast, bro. All right, guys, let's keep pushing. What's up, guys? A little detour right now. Asher, where are we at?
Fucking Hangar 18, baby.
We're at the old stopping grounds. If you guys didn't know, I stopped climbing like maybe like 4 months ago. I got back into it and then I got back out of it. I just can't do it anymore. We ran out of water. Asher ran out and I'm low. And I was like, you know what? Why don't we just hit up Hangar? Luckily, Pow's here, AJ's here, and Matt is here. And they're helping us out and getting us water. Yay, thank you, AJ. Long time no see. Have a good climb. Nice seeing you, brother. Take care. Thank you, pal. All right, let's get back on the road. All right, y'all. We are at 22.
22.8. Yeah, that's
22.8. We're gonna go a little bit more than 2 more miles and head back so we could reach a 30. Oh man, this one's a tough one, man. Tough. But at least the lighting is good and the bikes look good. But yeah, we're gonna go finish this. I don't think I'm gonna pick up the camera after this because I'm tired of I gotta come in. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next segment. But yeah, we're gonna make it, guys. We're gonna make it. Hi everyone. Look at this car behind me. Oh shit, the light's off. We're at Asher's place. We did the 30. Here's the picture. Yes, we did it. We're cooked. But it was too dark. There's other bikers with their lights, and it looked like Tesla lights. It was that blinding. Like we couldn't see. We had our phones out, and it was the most ghetto-tastic method, but it worked. But we did 30.7 miles, average speed of like 15. I'm gonna blame the wind and the light. It was super windy.
The winds were bad.
Yeah, the wind was terrible on the way back, and yeah. Definitely not the best benchmark, but it's definitely something. His new car. I think you guys seen it. And his project coupe. He doesn't have the BRZ anymore, he sold it. And he picked up this. He has a rig to tow the coupe. We'll get updates on this eventually. But I'm hungry and I want to go home. We got a new camera going on.
I like this. What is it?
Whoa.
Action 5.
Yeah,
That's sick.
It's like, what was this?
Slow, bro.
Slow, bro.
Like, I don't know if you guys remember Chris's car, but
It's pretty gay.
he has a wing now.
Yeah, it's pretty class.
It's actually solid. It's solid though.
It's built
And-
it's full carbon.
Yeah, it looks. I mean, what is that?
Why did you just leave my
Bro. Wait, is it hitting against it?
No, bro, I'm a
Oh.
fucking idiot.
Oh, cool.
I'm gonna like silicone it.
Oh yeah. So does it leak? Do you know if it leaks yet? No.
I went to the car wash and like
Just
I
to
looked
check.
sprayed the fuck out of it, and I opened. I was like, oh.
That's a good test.
Yeah, it was
That's a good test.
I'm kind of happy about it.
It looks good. I can't lie. It does look really good. You know what you're just missing, right?
A lip.
Yep.
Yep.
Lipless. It's all good though, man. It looks fire.
It does look good.
Hello everyone. We made it to the meet. It is insanely packed. Holy shit. I had to park away from my friends because we couldn't all find parking. But the car is posted up here. Very nice. I hope this camera's doing this meet justice because it's dark right now. So this is really gonna test this camera out. This guy. I'm calling it cost, bro. It's Rigo. There should be a spot over there.
Okay. Go that way.
Follow me, unless someone took it already. I think someone might take it, gang.
I'm gonna hit him.
Hi, Kate.
They're done.
Are you vlogging?
I like that you can see yourself though. It's like it is.
What's going on, guys?
He brought a date.
What's
He brought
going
a date.
No,
He brought
what's
a
going on,
date.
guys?
He
We're
brought a
back.
date.
This is 8-6 day right
Stephen
now.
brought hugs.
I would
Yeah, I thought you. Yeah, weren't you dropping someone off? Just.
I love mine.
was dropping a girl.
Redacted.
Yeah.
It's redacted.
Oh, that's your name?
Redacted.
You know what would be cool?
It's alright.
You know what would be cool if we tested this and like the pocket, the newest pocket, to see which.
Oh,
is better.
I think that one's definitely better. It has a bigger
Really?
sensor.
Oh.
Yeah, it's a way bigger sensor.
You know what would be good to test? You going home.
Oh.
You know what would be good to test? Huh? You know what would be good to test?
Here we go.
Running a successful
Incoming
business.
bullshit. Oh.
Been there, done that. Catch up.
Oh shit. Tony and they'll be back.
I'm outside, guys. I
First
still
time
have
since
the car.
Weekfest. He washed his car from Weekfest last night.
Last night I washed my car. It was great though, you know, the car came out clean. It's hidden all the way over there so people don't have to see it.
I didn't even wash my car before this. Guys, look at this thing. What is this? But look at this thing. I don't know. It's not a Sentra because it's a Toyota. What? That's crazy. Wow, look whose car this is. Whose is this one? The broken lip one. Look, he doesn't have skirts. Hey, this guy doesn't have side skirts.
Why are you saying it out loud, bro?
This guy doesn't have side skirts.
That's crazy. See that? See that? Look what you did. Look what you did, bro.
Where we at, Steven?
We're at the greatest place on earth. We are at Molly Tea.
Jesus, why'd you say it so loud?
Because I'm a machine.
And then when
I don't mind it.
they stop, they order.
What you thinking, bro?
You like my style? Hold on.
yeah.
You like my style?
Oh, hell no.
That's where like put it right here. Yeah.
Because I haven't seen Steven in a long time. This is the timing he's on now.
Is that kind of timing?
Oh, here we go.
This way.
Yeah, he rocks that shit though.
Oh.
Yeah, pop the
Yeah.
hip out.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
It's like all the
Hello.
stealth cam. Yeah, the stealth cam, huh?
Stealth cam.
Stealth cam.
Let me know how you guys are liking the camera in the comments below. How's the audio? How's the audio, the colors and everything? This is pretty much me testing out this camera, but it's pretty versatile, very easy to use, way easier to just pull out and get the shot, and that's like all I really care about.
Very juicy.
Yeah, these are some good limes. That's how you know this place is about to be good. All right, cheers. Oh shit! More guys came through. This is good too.
Dreyotaa, you like it?
It's really good. If you guys didn't know, I love Mexican food. It's so freaking good. I just realized I probably haven't shown you guys the car in a while because, actually no, the last vlog you guys seen my car, but in this vlog you guys probably haven't. So let's go show you guys. Oh my God, it's so dark. No!
Steven's find me a new lap!
Steven! Oh man, it's too dark, but the car is the same. That's the only problem with black cars, you can't see. Oh look, here we go. You're gonna scrape. Oh yeah, you're fine. He's fine. Oh! Hella close. I just realized the shutter speed was off. God damn it. Sorry about that, guys. We got all the boys here. We got Kyle. Like, Kyle picked up some new wheels. Got some BBS RIAs. I told him once he's done with these, I'm gonna get them next. The other homies, since it's 868, everyone popped out. It's pretty cool. We have our own meetup right here. This is really cool. But look at everyone's out here.
We can't have what we want.
Yeah, if this is the end of the vlog, I appreciate you guys for watching till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you guys think of the new camera. This might be the main shooter. Probably not, maybe it will. It's just more convenient to use, and I'm starting to get the hang of it. And yeah, just let me know what you guys think. Yeah, this is, if you guys are curious, I'm using the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Josh got it for me for my birthday, so bless her heart, she's the best. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the quality, and let me know if you guys want me to keep using this or bin it and go back to the Sony. But this is so much easier to use. It's so much easier. But it all depends on how the image quality looks at the end of the day. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.